Kung gusto nyo talagang kumita sa crypto, problem is, traders like us can get wiped out. That's why I will never stop educating Filipinos about what I know on trading aside from technical analysis. Yung nakita yung CPI kanina, hindi nyo alam na may that time, uy, ba't bumaba si Bitcoin? Si Coach alam na. Because may sell-off pala. I was interviewed October last year in ANC ni Mimi Ong. Sabi niya sa akin, Coach, the price of Bitcoin was 35,000. Sinabi ko lahat yan. Nagulo, siguro nakulitan siya sa akin. Sinabi ko lahat in 30 minutes. Sabi niya, you said so many dates, Coach. Pero one thing that I'm very proud of, whatever I said there happened. January 11, ETF was approved. Bitcoin went up to almost 60,000 plus coming from 35. Imagine kung meron kang 100,000 na pera sa bangko, nagdoble yung pera mo just because you know what dates are important. My challenge to all of you as I end my presentation today, alam nyo po, trading is very risky. Hindi po ako perfectong trader. Natatalo din ako. Alam nyo po yan, di ba? Natatalo si Coach. Pero pwede siyang iwasan. Marami pong dapat gawin. Fundamental analysis is just one part